This here is analytics for one of my videos with over 78,000 views. If you look at this, you see that this video is being recommended by YouTube itself. The very moment you get YouTube algorithm to recommend your video, to push your videos, you have started growing your YouTube channel. All you need is just go to bed and allow YouTube to do the magic for you. Let me let you in on a little secret. Actually, two secrets. If you're a small YouTuber looking to grow your YouTube channel, this is exactly what you need to know and do right now to start getting views and subscribers. So for every channel you see out there doing well, getting hundreds of subscribers every day, getting a lot of views, watch hours, and growing really fast. This is exactly what we all do on our videos to get this attention. And if you start doing it today, I bet you're going to see a lot of changes, a lot of improvement, and your channel is going to grow really fast. What is this secret? Getting YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos. Now, this is what I mean by getting YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos. Look at this. It says how viewers find this video. Over 76% of people who watch these videos are coming from browse features, which is YouTube recommendation. The other 10% is from suggested videos. Suggested video is yet another way of YouTube recommending your videos. This is what we mean by suggested video. You watch a video to the end. Towards the end of the video, another related video is suggested for you to watch. Jump on this one and continue watching the video. So how does this recommendation happen? I want to show you that in this video. So grab your popcorn, let's do this. The first secret to getting YouTube to recommend your videos is your upload settings. Guys, you've been doing this the wrong way all this while. So I want to show you how to upload your video the right way to get more views. Now, uploading your videos the right way will help you 10x your video views, which means you get to a point YouTube start recommending your videos, pushing it for more people to see. So if you've been uploading your videos using this button here, you've been doing it the wrong way all this while, and that's why you've not been getting the kind of views you desire. And this should be the last time you do this. When you want to upload your video, you have to upload your videos using the dashboard, not the app. Why do you have to do that? Because there are lots of functions, features that only the dashboard gives you access to. When you use this dashboard in uploading your videos, you're able to optimize your video in a way that algorithm recognizes your video and pushes it for many more people to see. To do this, there are a couple of things you need to pay close attention to. So let's go on and demonstrate how it is done. So once the video is uploaded, the next thing is to go on and supply the basic details. The first one is the title of the video. So you need to click here and put the title of the video. Then go on and put the description. Use as many keywords as possible. Now scroll down here and select the thumbnail. Add the video to the playlist. Playlist is very important because it helps people to find your video based on the categorization. So after that, you need to come down here and select that this video is not meant for kids. It is important you select it, so it helps YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to your target audience. Then click on show more, and then we are going to go on to add other important details. Now, is this video paid promotion? If there's any paid promotion in the video, you are running advert for any company or brand, select yes. If not, leave it. Now it is altered content. Did you get any AI related content here? Select yes or no based on the answer. Then we have automatic chapter. It's good you also select it. It helps YouTube to put chapters, timestamp to your videos. We have featured places. This helps viewers to explore key places in your videos. So you actually have to select automatic places. And we have automatic concepts. Let these things be automatically selected. Then the next important thing is the tags. Remember to add relevant hashtags. It helps a lot in getting you the views you desire. Now we also have the language and caption certificate. Just go on and submit those basic details. Now we come down to the short remixing. Would you want people to remix this video? If yes, select allow If you don't want it, leave it. I'll advise you allow it. It helps recommend this video to many more people. Next one is category. You're going to select this based on the kind of content you make. We have entertainment, education, comedy, how to and style. Go on and select the one that best fits this. For this video, I'm going to select how to and style because it's actually a tutorial video. Next one is comment and rating. You need to turn this on so people can comment on your videos. Remember, engagement metric is everything. Once you are done doing this, you click on next. Next is video element, and this is one feature that you can't get if you upload your videos with YouTube app. So this is where you're going to add related videos to your video, so it helps in recommending your older videos. The next one is to add subtitles. If you had always wanted to add subtitles to your video, this is an opportunity to do just that. After that, we have checks, and this is YouTube running checks on the video to make sure that it follows the guideline. Once there's no copyright, as you can see here, there's no copyright in this video, you are good to go. Next one is visibility. So you're going to select visibility. While uploading the video, I'll advise you select either private or unlisted. This will help make sure that after you're done uploading the video, you review it before it's shown to the people. If you go on to select public and you mistakenly click on upload while you are still working on this video, people are going to see it and it's not a good look. So you need to select private. Once you are done updating these details, you come down here and select save. This is the right way to upload video to get more views and subscribers. Are you getting value from this? Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you've ever done this before on your channel. Now, the second secret is optimization. Optimization has to do with the file you are uploading on YouTube, which is the title of the video as well as the thumbnail itself. You have to actually take care of this before you upload the video. So you need to change the name of the file, you need to change the name of the thumbnail. The reason is because if a file is optimized, it makes it super easy for YouTube itself to understand who the video is meant for. Not only that, when your file name is optimized, it makes it super easy for your videos to be seen on Google. Just in case you don't know, our videos appear on Google search. If you go on Google to search how to grow a YouTube channel, how to cook party jollof rice, you're going to see a lot of blog articles and you're also going to see YouTube videos. How do these videos make it to Google? Because the files are optimized. So you have to optimize your file by naming it appropriately. You have to use the right keywords, what the video is all about in the title of this file to make it super easy for Google itself to pick this video and start recommending it to your target audience. That's exactly how to optimize your video, which makes it super easy for YouTube algorithm to pick your video and start recommending it. When you upload your videos this way, you will get a lot of views on your videos. You 10x your views, and then getting subscribers, watch hours, and growing your YouTube channel becomes super easy. For more details on how this is done, I made this video here explaining everything you need to know when it comes to optimizing the file name, uploading it, and even the settings. Everything is covered in this video. So you need to watch it to better understand how this is done. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.